Hello everyone, I wanted to show you a neat little activity that I like to do for practicing the B to C fingering because B to C, it can be a little bit tricky because you're balancing the flute then with very, very few fingers and it can feel like the flute might fall. So what many teachers recommend, including Kathy Blocki, is that you practice your B to C fingerings by trilling it. So you play your B, so with your thumb and your first finger and your little finger, and you wiggle your thumb like that. And you can also just practice while you're watching TV. You could just hold your flute and just practice wiggling your thumb, which is a great activity to do because before you know it, you will have gone a whole telly program just wiggling your thumb. And it will make playing B to C really, really simple. But if you do it really quickly, like I am, that's called a trill. So a trill is just when you go between two notes fast. And I've got a pipe cleaner here, a sparkly pipe cleaner. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to wind it around my finger like this. Like that. I'm going to make a nice twirly trill. Look, that's my trill. So you could try making your own little sparkly, shiny trill at home if you have a pipe cleaner lying around. It looks quite pretty, doesn't it? And we're going to need this pipe cleaner for our next activity, which is to put together a Princess Waltz, which is a nice little piece in the Blocki Flute Method on page 19. All right, so why don't you get your little pipe cleaner trill ready, where our notes are going to go like this. And let's try playing a B to C trill. So you see, it was kind of like my little trill here. I started out slowly and then I got faster and faster, so I could even make more little fast trills at the end with my little finger. Look, and da, like that. That's pretty cool, isn't it? Let's try that again. Starting out slowly, then getting faster. And I could change the shape of the trill again by getting another pipe cleaner. I've got one over here. This is a really good way of visualizing how to play a trill. This is something I found is a bit tricky when students start to play trills, is often they'll just wiggle their finger as fast as they can. But you know, the more advanced you get and the more teachers you have, the more you learn how expressively trills can be played. And I remember my teacher, Lorna McGee, when I was at UBC, expressive musical trills were really one of the things that she instilled in me, that every trill should have so much meaning in it. So this trill, I think I'll make some slower trills at the beginning, and maybe in the middle I'll do some faster little trills, and then at the end I could slow it down again. See if I can do that. This is a fun little activity to do. And if you have little fingers, this is even better. You'll be able to get even more little trills. That's a kind of a neat design. So we start it slow, get faster, 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 and then have a lovely little elegant musical ending at the end. Should we try that? Okay, you're all ready for Princess Waltz now. So turn to page 19 of your Blocki Flute Method and we'll get started.